Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find home screen and wallpaper. Right now we have to tap on this wallpaper section, and be aware that before you will be able to enter it, you will have to add or simply grant the permission to access the media. But after tapping on the wallpaper, your device will show you proper steps to grant the permission. And after that, you will be transferred to those albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got our own gallery. So of course you can set a photo as a wallpaper, recommended ones, my wallpapers, and here we've got some currently set ones or previously set. We've got also the nature, artistic, dimensional, classic, and colors, which is more, we can enter more wallpapers, and if you will have the internet connection, you will be able to find some pretty cool options. All right, so let me pick something from the recommend maybe, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which you can choose, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on it. So let me tap on this one, and as you can see, you can change the position of this wallpaper. So it's of course up to you if you want to use this option or not. I'm not really sure if I like those colors. No, maybe those. All right, as you can see right here, you've got this blur option with this kind of drop icon, so you can tap on it and decide whether you want your wallpaper to be blurred or not. Up to you. I think I will leave the sharpest option, so let me turn it off. What is more, here in the right upper corner we've got this eye icon, and thanks to this this wallpaper will be kind of applied to the home screen, so you can see it with the icons you've got on the home screen currently. You can also make it scrollable, which simply means that after picking it, after setting this option, it means that your device will kind of change the position of the wallpaper whenever you will change the position of the home screen, of the page of the home screen. All right, so if you're ready, just tap on apply, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. All right, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.